Hello friends, I am Siddharth. With the help of this video, we are going to observe food and beverage service procedures. Procedure 1. Laying of the tablecloth. At this stage, we are going to see how to lay a clean tablecloth on the table. For that, we have to check the table is stable and not wobbling. Neatly fold the tablecloth as shown. Insert the finger as shown to hold the tablecloth. Stand centrally between two legs of the table with the cloth and put right leg forward. Lean across the table. Position the tablecloth on the table with two woven edges towards you, and then release the bottom layer of the cloth to hang over the far edges of the table. Release the hold on center fold and draw the woven edges towards you. Procedure 2. Relaying of tablecloth. This method is used to replace the dirty tablecloth with clean tablecloth during the food service when the guest is on the table. The procedure is as follows. First, pull the soiled tablecloth towards you so the far hem is even with the edge of the table. Stand centrally between two legs of the table with the clean and neat folded tablecloth and put your right leg forward. Second, lean across the table and position the folded cloth on the table with two woven edges towards you. Release the bottom layer of the cloth to hang over the far edge of the table. Third, take the soiled cloth in both hands, holding it between the little fingers and ring finger. Fourth, pull the soiled cloth towards you while opening the clean cloth above it. Fifth, fold the soiled cloth and remove it. Procedure 3. Carrying a fully loaded tray or salver. The tray should be organized in such a way that the heaviest items are nearer the body of the service person. This will help in balancing of the tray. One hand is placed under the tray, usually left hand, and the other at the side. For room service, the loaded American tray should be held in such a way that the tray resting on the palm of the left hand and one end will be rest on the held shoulder. The salver can be carried on the palm of the left hand and its center with the support of the fingers as shown. Procedure 4. Holding and using service spoon and fork. Service spoon and fork enables waiter to serve food from platter to customer's plate quickly. The service fork should be positioned above or on the top of the service spoon. Alternatively, the service fork may be turned to mold with the shape of the item being served. For example, when serving bread rolls, the spoon and the fork can be handled adjacent for the service of dry food articles. In large quantity at times, for example, when serving rice. Procedure 5. Greet, meet and seat procedure. First, guest is greeted at the reception counter by the hostess or reception head waiter. For example, good afternoon sir or ma'am. If the name of the guest is known, then address him by the first name. Second, ask the guest how many people are there in his party and according to that, lead him towards the table as follows.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Cafe Vintage. Even prepared the table
Third, when the guest is sitting, lift chair backward. Let the guest sit on the chair, then let the guest pull the chair. Fourth, open the napkin and put it on the lap of the customer and unturn the glasses. Fifth, hostess will introduce the section holder to the host at the stage at the shown. Procedure 6. Service of water. Approach guest from right hand side and ask him courteously, "Excuse me sir or ma'am, may I serve you regular water or mineral water?" Then do as guest says. First, for service of regular water, the waiter's cloth should be neatly folded and placed on the waiter's left arm. Second, hold the jug in left palm and approach to the customer from right hand side of the guest. Third, put right leg forward and start pouring water. Fourth, now pour water slowly by holding the jug perpendicular to the table. Fifth, make sure that water does not drop on the tablecloth and the water level is not right up to the rim of the glass. Procedure 7. Service of the main course. Prior to the service, waiter will check on the following things. First, is the cover right for the service? If it is not, then he will adjust and rectify the cover. Are there any proprietary sauces required for the main course? If there are, then he will place the bottle of the proprietary sauces on the center of the table, and the neck of the bottle should be cleaned before placing it on the center of the table. Third, water glasses should be filled. The waiter will get hot plates on napkin and come to the table to the waiter places hot plate in front of the guest from right hand side of the guest. The guest must be advised that plates are hot so the guest may not seize his or her hands. The logo of the plates in the 12 o'clock position. Place the accompaniment like papad, pickle or raita at the center of the table if you are serving Indian main course. Service of meats from flats. The service cloth is folded neatly as a protection against heat from the serving dish. The dish presented to the guest so that he or she may see the complete dish as it comes on the kitchen. This is to show off the chef's artistry in the presentation. The name of the dish is announced by the waiter before service. The serving dish should be held a little above the hot joint plate, with the front edge slightly overlapping the rim of the hot joint plate. The portion of the food is placed on 6 o'clock position, nearest to the guest, on the hot joint plate. The bread items should be always served on side plate, which is placed on the left hand side of the guest. Rice also offered from left hand side of the service platter to plate as shown with the help of adjacent service spoon and fork. Dirty plates should be cleared from right hand side of the guest. The first plate is cleared from right hand side of the guest with the right hand and right foot forward. The plate is then transferred to the left hand of the waiter. The left hand of the waiter is behind the guest. The waiter then moves clockwise to the second cover. The second plate is then cleared from right hand side of the guest. The dirty plate is placed on the palm of the left hand above the first dirty plate. In this way, the waiter would clear all the dirty plates. The waiter would clear the dirty side plates from the left hand side of the guest. After the joint plates and side plates have been cleared, the waiter will clear cruet set, bread basket and butter dish from the table. The waiter would also clear cutlery remaining on the table other than dessert indication. Finger bowls are offered at this stage from right hand side of the guest. Wait till the guest washes their hands. And clear finger bowls from the right hand side. Crumbing down commences from left hand side of the first guest. The side plate is placed just beneath of the lip of table crumbs, which are brushed towards the plate using folded napkin. This having been completed, the sweet fork is moved from the head of the place setting the left hand side of the cover. The waiter now moves the right hand side of the same guest and completes crumbling down of his place, sitting the sweet spoon on the right hand side of the cover. While the sweet spoon and sweet fork being moved their correct positions, the service cloth is held under service plate by fingers of the holding hand. Procedure 8. Service of pre-plated food. Pre-plated food means food which has been neatly decorated and garnished and served in a fish plate or joint plate, and it is ready to serve. Most of the sweet items are served as a pre-plated service. If any sweet is being served on a champagne saucer or a cup, then the champagne saucer would be placed on a side plate and accompanied with a teaspoon as shown. The waiter comes from right hand side of the guest, put his right leg forward and places the plate containing pre-plated food from right hand side. The logo of the plate must always be in 12 o'clock position. The clearance is done from right hand side after the guest had finished eating. All remaining cutlery and crockery should be clear at this stage except the water glasses. Now we are going to observe some service procedures which need to be avoided by the service staff while doing food and beverage service.
First, never fill the water glass till its rim because it will be inconvenient for the customer while drinking the water and may result in spillage of water from the glass. Second, never place the clean joint plates from left hand side of the customer. Never place the plate positioned out from the edge of the table. Third, do not serve any platter to plate food from right hand side. It becomes inconvenient position for server as well as disturbs the customer. Fourth, never do any clearance from left hand side of the customer. Fifth, the server should avoid to serve pre-plated food from left hand side of the customer. Sixth, while clearing the second joint plate, the server should make sure that his left hand with first clear plate is away from the table. Seventh, the server should never cross the cover for any clearance or service. Procedure 9.
Mocktail demonstration. In this session, we are going to see how to prepare mocktail by built-up method. We are going to see preparation of strawberry fizz. First, take the measured amount of strawberry crush in cocktail glass. With the help of inverted spoon, touching the opposite wall of the glass from inside, start pouring Sprite slowly because of different densities of the Sprite does not mix with the strawberry crush and floats on it. Serve chilled with stirrer.
Sir, strawberry fizz for you.